Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to take one trade with our strategy. I'm going to explain you the setup in detail so that you can apply the same while trading. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is 1 minute candlestick analysis, and you can see we are analyzing 1 minute candlestick time frame, and we are going to take a trade for 5 minutes because we trade with 5 minute expiry. So let's get started. Right now, as you can see, that market is moving sharply in the downward direction, which is an unusual move, and we can expect a reversal, a retracement in the future, because if we go by price action, market need some retracement actually. And let's draw some lines. And yes, market can reverse. Let's try to find if we have any strong support level. Market is actually at the support level. Let's change the color first. And okay, so this is the support zone. Okay, market already is respecting this level, which is a good thing. So this is our trend resistance. First of all, I will take the trade, then only I will explain you the setup. Right now, okay, no, this is not the confirmation. I'll just remove it. And okay, so let me explain you what I'm thinking right now. Whenever you see sharp moves in the market, the price action always tell us that market moves with phases: the run phase and the retracement phase, the run phase and some retracement, the run and the retracement. And whenever you see that market is moving very strongly in a particular direction without taking rest, or in simple language the retracement, you will always find that market will reverse very quickly. So what you have to do is to understand if market is doing that. Like in this case, market moved really strongly in the upward direction, but at the end it reverses because the retracement was required. The same thing I'm seeing here, that the retracement phase are very small, but the run phase are way stronger, which means that market is in the need of taking some rest, which I think we can use to take a reversal trade. And this is a good confirmation right now. Market is weak here. It already hit the support level, and we can take a trade if we have the confirmation. This is turning out to be a confirmation right now. This is the recent resistance. Its market is already above the level, and yes, so we have placed a trade here. It's a 5-minute expiry trade. This is a confirmation candle, and market needs some retracement, and that's why I'm taking this trade. So let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you why I took this trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade. Now let me explain you the setup. So it's a simple setup. This was the unusual move in the market. I cannot see retracement phase here. So what I did, I just waited for the market to hit a support level, because Whenever you see sharp moves, you know that with price action, market needs to rest, it needs to wait for some time, it needs to retrace back, and it can only retrace back when market gets weaker, it hit a support or a resistance level, and when the other party, in this case the buyers, are interested. The same thing happened here. Market goes down, it hit a strong support level, it tried to go up, and this was also the confirmation for me. If I was when I started this trading session, if I was here, I could have taken a trade for 5 minutes for sure. So this was the whole setup. Market was weak here, it rejected back from the support level, market needed some retracement, I waited for the confirmation, market broke this resistance level here, and that's why I took a 5-minute trade and we won that trade. So that is the whole thing which I noticed while taking this trade. There were nothing else which I was looking for. It was a simple price action setup. The price action was suggesting that market should be reversing. The weakness in the market was suggesting that market should be reversing. The support level was suggesting that market should be reversing. The breakout from this candle was suggesting that market should be going up, and that's why I took that 5-minute trade. So that is it for today, and I hope that you have understand the concept. I have explained, I have taken trades using the same concept so many times, so it is just a revision of the setup, and that is all what I do. I don't have fancy setups. I have 3 to 4 strategy. Basically I have 6 strategies, and that's all I have. I use support and the resistance, sometimes trend line, sometimes the consolidation, sometimes I use to take trades in the direction of the trade, and that is all I have. I don't use fancy indicators, nothing that can the beginner traders are always into indicators, but you have to understand that these indicators will not going to make you money, because if trading was so easy, then everybody else out there who are using the indicators are millionaire, but it's not the case, and that's the reason you have to understand that if you are sticking with the indicators till now, like paying someone for their indicator, then it's just not going to work. You have to focus on the chart, because everything is on the chart itself. So with this note, I am finishing this trading session. Hope that you have learned something new from this video, and if you have doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.